Simple problem here on a Friday. It's 10 minus 9 plus 3 times 3 equals what? It's a pretty simple problem. Take a shot at what you think the answer might be. We'll work it out together. All right, so first of all, multiplication has precedence over addition and subtraction. 3 times 3 is 9. Then we're just simply left with 10 minus 9 plus 9 equals 10. And remember also that addition and subtraction have equal precedence. One of the mistakes I see people make, some people think they understand the order of operations, or they've memorized an acronym like PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S, but they don't understand it. And they actually think that multiplication is before division, and they also think addition before subtraction, which is not correct. Now, in this problem, you got to remember too, PEMDAS is not a 6-step checklist. Multiplication and division have equal precedence. Addition and subtraction have equal precedence. Now, turns out that if you were to subtract 10 minus 9, you would get 1. 1 plus 9 equals 10. So even if you do this wrong, if you accidentally solve this one left to right, it actually works out. You can subtract, and let me just say, that's not really wrong to do that, because you're not interfering with the 3 times 3. Now, some people will argue that, and they'll say, well, you've got to do the multiplication first. Yes, you must do the multiplication. You must keep the 3 times 3 intact. You can't go and add 10 minus 9 and get 1, and then add 1 to 3 and get 4, and then take 4 times 3 and get 12. Now, there are some people out there that are getting 12 as an answer, all right? But that is incorrect. 12 is not correct. You never solve blindly left to right. And anybody that thinks you would get an answer of 12, my suggestion to you would be to get out your dictionary, your Webster's dictionary, whatever dictionary you've got, and look up the definition of multiplication. And what you're going to find out is multiplication's literally defined as repeated addition. All right? So 3 times 3 is the same thing as adding 3 times. So yeah, you do need to take care of that multiplication. It's just 3 times 3. Nothing else is multiplied in there in this problem. All right? And then also there are some people out there who are subtracting everything after the negative sign, and they don't realize you would need to have parentheses around 9 plus 3 times 3 in order to get negative 8. I've actually seen answers of negative 8 on this. That negative sign does not affect the 3 times 3. I'm not sure where people get that idea. The operators are working on the number to the left and the numbers to the right, but you need parentheses in order to get negative 8. So hopefully this has been helpful. If you got any questions, please leave them in the comments. Please consider liking, sharing, subscribing. See you in the next video.